Oh, fellow weirdos, welcome back to Roblox, where I just, whoa, stupid thing. My game is loading forever.
When was the last time you restarted your computer, Ben?
Not very long ago. I have to restart it too much.
Stop.
I don't really think I have to.
Hang on. Stop. Stop.
I'm recording a dumb video.
I see. First off, you can't play your game because you have to read what Steam says.
It said nothing. It just said.
No, it said that you had to update it. There's an update that you had to run, Ben.
I thought I already clicked update.
No.
It wasn't working after that. Well, I just logged in, so yeah. That's my friend's chat group. I just want to play Sandbox. Why Dad?
Hang on.
I'm gonna get back. Right. So let's not play Roblox. Let's just do this for a second. It's not in early access anymore.
Thanks, Dad. Oh, you're welcome, Ben.
Thank you, Dad. Really? An elephant. And is that an orc? Right. We need to unlock the orc because a shark. I already unlocked the shark. Yeah, but I can't unlock it again since my game already crashes. The rocket ship is broken. Right. I have my headphones on. Stop smacking your face with the mug. Right. Yeah, I know. Legos have infinite possibilities. Right, let's skip. I can't skip it.
Oh, no.
Right. I just started.
Okay.
So, yeah. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna join. I have 0 friends. Do you see how lonely I am? I have 0 Steam friends.
Aww.
Can I close this now? How do I close this? Right.
Close what? Don't close Steam. You don't need to.
I'm gonna close this. How do I close this?
What? 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 I already got it this morning.
Oh. I think that may be it because. Oh. So let's try that again. Better. Just fixed up my camera. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, the screen. Screen is too. Right. You can't see from there either. Right. Oh. This is not fun. Right. There we go. Block myself.
Yes, I am. You're not allowed to play video games.
Right. Let's just
How's that?
start no game. I made the video.
What's my signature pose?
When I'm not when with not saying goodbye or anything like that.
Huh?
Because I just record for too long.
You record. You're not recording.
Yeah, I'm recording. My tablet's right there.
Oh.
So yeah,
Hello.
why is there chickens? There's
Do you
chickens.
even have any subscribers?
I don't have any subscribers, but I do have likes. I actually do have some likes. I have 2 likes on some videos. I'm not that good.
Yeah, it's okay.
Right. I'm gonna Santa hat.
No way.
I'm just gonna get this cap.
What did I need to do?
Beard. Beard. Right. Hips, legs, attachment. Nothing.
So, no subscribers. 3 views. 6 views. 4 views. 8 views. 5 views. 4 views.
How many-
12 views?
Sydney, you know you can just get your own channel.
Dude.
Right, I thought it said hat, but it really said head.
None of these have likes.
What?
None of these have likes.
I like my own videos, actually.
It's alright.
That's actually possible. You can like your own videos.
That's true.
Yeah, I liked my own videos.
Subscribe to the weird kid, okay?
Why am I walking into a wall?
Be Harley Quinn. Why is everything by this person? Save Harley Quinn from John Doe. Be Harley Quinn. Roblox Beach.
Yeah, Sydney, I'm recording.
That's whatsoever.
Stop, Sydney! You're not recording, I am.
Hey, Ben. You're going to turn the recording off in about 3 seconds.
Oh, sorry, I'll stop
Thank you.
insulting. But I'll still be recording. So,
Did you say in? Or say it?
yeah, what? Fling.
No!
That guy's flinging elephants and bears. Sorry if you can't see. Right. I just moved the mouse so that you can see. It may not be the best place for me to put it, but it works for you guys. Hope you don't mind. Right. Discover the chickens. Right. Right.
This is hilarious.
Some pigs and chickens is what I need right here, Savvy. Right.
Kill it.
Unlock. Right. I just threw a pig. Now chickens. Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
This house took forever to make. This house also took forever to make.
Oh, pigs escaped. Right. We're a learner builder. Wait a sec. Yes! I'm holding the chicken.
No!
Chicken!
My favorite sim
Oh,
is
no,
almost
my
dead.
My game's gonna crash!
Great.
It's not good. Alright.
Save it.
So,
That's what I do if my game crashes. But it hardly ever does. It's just what I do. Ew.
So that's gonna be it for this episode, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Of course, leave a like and subscribe because I don't have any subscribers yet. Oh,
You'll get there, Ben.
so sad. I'll get there when I'm 10. You're gonna give me gear when I'm 10, right? For my birthday, right? Right?
What?
So that's gonna be it for this episode. This was just Lego Worlds. I really hope you
This
enjoyed.
is a gorgeous sim.
I will not do any more Lego Worlds videos. I may do the next one on Pokemon Brick Bronze. Ooh. So that's it for this video, guys. Of course, I will chat to you in the comments if you comment to me.
Ben,
What? Although I may just write dots. That's all I'll write, dots. I'll chat dots in the comments. That's what I'll do.
You're so weird.
I won't chat.
Oh, she
You
needs
won't
the
know.
eyebrows.
You won't know how to chat in the comments. It's just a joke. So yeah. That's all I need.
Why are these eyebrows so weird?
Bye. A hungry Pikachu. It's a gigantic Pikachu.